On the 18th of March 2014 in Russia, the second Club for Safety regional event was held. The project workshop was organized in the House of Moscow government within the framework of the International Conference Biotechnology and Quality of Life and the exhibition Biotech World. The workshop was included in the list of official events to take place in the frameworks of the EU-Russia Year of Science. The second Club for Safety regional event had 120 participants, including representatives of national agencies, members of international organizations, participants of policymakers, industry, and non-governmental organizations members. In the morning session, the participants of workshop had opportunity to take part in the official opening ceremony of the Conference on Biotechnology. Club for Safety workshop had its rich program and started with the opening speeches. The welcome addresses were made by Richard Burger, Research and Innovation Council Delegation of the European Union to the Russian Federation, Dick Potter, Scientific Officer of the Directorate General Research and Innovation of the European Commission, and Vladimir Popov, the Director of Institute of Biochemistry, Russian Academy of Sciences. Club for Safety participants provided information about the scope of the project, its results and activities. The coordinator of the project, Hans Marvin from Rekield, the Netherlands, described the international collaboration on food safety and highlighted the early warning of food safety problems. Helen Kendall from Newcastle University in the United Kingdom presented the Delphi method as a tool to analyze experts' opinion concerning existing and emerging food safety risks. Sofia Esteves from SPI Portugal introduced Club for Safety stakeholder database comprising of the profiles and contact details of experts working worldwide in the area of food safety. Currently, more than 1,500 stakeholders from more than 120 countries have already registered their profiles. The project team is also working on building the Global Food Safety Portal that includes research and innovation, policy, education and training-related food safety issues. For effective collaboration during the workshop, simultaneous translation was organized. A great attention was dedicated to the questions of the cooperation between Russia and the European Union. In the presentations of Dick Potter and Irina Sharova, representing the Russian National Contact Point on Biotechnology, the European policy for food safety in the EU framework program Horizon 2020 was emphasized, as well as the different ways of collaboration between the European Union and Russian research teams. All global issues have a scientific background. Therefore, in the frameworks of the Club for Safety workshop, research presentations were also made. Boris Dzantsi from the Institute of Biochemistry, Russian Academy of Sciences, presented the current trends of analytical techniques for monitoring of toxic contaminants in foodstuffs. Katrina Campbell from the Queen's University in Belfast discussed the marine toxin analysis. Lyubov Deshluk from the Kemerovo Institute of Food Science and Technology described the development of molecular genetic test systems for prion infections. Branch-related problems of food safety and their intersection with harmonization of national and international approaches were considered in the set of reports. Irina Chernohov from the All-Russian Meat Research Institute focused her presentation on hazards and risk management in the manufacturing of meat products. Song Weigor from the Shanghai Institute of Agro-Food Standards and Testing Technology presented the dietary exposure assessment of pesticide residues in vegetables, fruits and mushrooms. Elena Yurova from the All-Russian Research and Development Institute of Dairy Industry characterized specific problems of identity and safety control in dairy industry. All reports during the workshop were interesting and relevant, as also indicated by a great number of participants in the evaluation forms they filled out after the event. The Collab for Safety workshop in Moscow gave the participants the unique chance to obtain new knowledge, share their experience, find new information resources, and communicate with domestic and foreign experts in the area of food safety.